Hello guys, and welcome to our new video. And today we are going to discuss upon one more interesting trade which I done on yesterday on Thursday, and last week also I had done 2 days, and one of the trade is on Thursday only. So I think Thursday is quite of lucky for me. So anyway, this is also the CPR breakout trade, and the last 2 trade which I had done, this is also the CPR breakout trade. So let's see the important level, how I put my stop loss and how I get my target, what is the important level from this trade. So without wasting a time, let's discuss upon the trade. And before moving on to the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and let's mark the important level of the previous day. So previous day there is only 2 important level, which is the previous day low. Here's the previous day low, and here's the previous day high. So this day is become the sideways day on 20th of July. The day is become the sideways day, so you can expect the trending day on the next day, but it is a 50-50% chance. Not all the time it will become the trending day, and you can expect a narrow CPR, not a wide CPR on the next day whenever the market is in the sideways range. So this is a complete sideways day, so I can expect a narrow CPR and little bit trending market on next day. So as I said, you look at this CPR. If you compare this CPR, where is CPR? Okay, this is the CPR. So look at this. This CPR is quite wider, and look at this CPR. This CPR is a narrow. Because of the wide CPR, this has become the range bound day, the sideways market, and because of the sideways market, you can expect a narrow CPR. It's not a narrow, but it's average CPR. So you can expect a quite of a trending day on this day. So let's see. From the first market, the candle opened with a big, not a big red candle, it's a big pin bar on downside. So you can expect there is a lot of buyers there are present there. They don't want market to break this PDL, previous day low. The buyers don't want to break this previous day low, so that's why the market opens with a big red candle. But the initial buyers has been pushed market on upward, and they had created a pin bar on downside. This is not good sign to go short, because the candle haven't closed on the PDL. So that's why PDL means previous day low. So that's why, and again, don't go long or short on first candle itself, always wait. And this is also not good candle to go long. Why? There is a CPR. Look at this CPR. So CPR acts as a strong support and resistance, so that's why you don't please don't try to go long on this situation. So I am expecting that the market has to break this CPR. Once the CPR has been break, the day's high will be break, and the CPR is also the break, and then we can expect the market go on upside. So look what happened. The same thing has been happened. So why I'm so much excited on this trade? It's because there is a 2 reason. Once this is day's high has been broken by this candle, but look at this big pin bar on upside, means strong sellers has been there. So once this sellers don't want market to go upside of the CPR, and don't want to they will hit their stop loss if the buyers has pushed the market on upside. And look what happened on this candle. The buyers has pushed market on upside, and all the stop loss has been triggered of this sellers. So that's why I actually haven't take long entry on this candle. I am waited for retestment. I can able to take long entry on here, but if I take long entry here, then I may hit my stop loss. So that's why I waited here. In the market is come again, it retested the CPR. Look at here. So here I take long entry. So because of this, I got the smaller CPR, smaller stop loss. So that's why it will easier to me to bring my target. And where should I book my profit? I book my profit on this candle, obviously the daily pivot. So this was the simple trade, the simple CPR breakout trade, and 2 confirmation. One is the day's high has been broken, and then the CPR has, the center line of the CPR has been broken. So you should go long. So instead of going long on this candle, because if I go long here, I can able to grab the trade, but my stop loss has been greater. If I put my stop loss on this center line of the CPR or the bottom line of the CPR, it has been quite big. So that's why I waited when the market has been retested at the CPR on this pin bar. So I take long entry here, and I book my stop profit here on this daily pivot. So don't expect long trade because it's average CPR, and this market has been so much volatile. Actually, the last 3 trade which I got is a CPR breakout trade only. So let's see again what happened in the next video. Till that, peace out.